everyone, and welcome back. I hope that you're all having an amazing day today. If this is your first time here, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, guys, we're actually going to be unboxing the Boxycharm Premium for the month of May. So if you're interested in seeing what I got inside of this month's premium box, stay tuned. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm Premium, it is a monthly beauty subscription where you receive between 6 and 7 full-size beauty items each month for $35. With that said, let's jump into the box. When you receive your box from Boxycharm each month, it comes in a box like so. And this box is pretty much the same as the Boxycharm base box, but this one's a little bit bigger. When we open up the box, inside of the box top, it says Boxycharm Premium. And then we have all of the products that we received there. I don't think that was supposed to happen. The first thing I am pulling out is the card for this month, and it says Boxycharm Mother Nature, packed with gloves and love. Very sweet. The card is very pretty, very floral. And on the back, it just lists all the products that are inside of the box this month. And for this month, I received variation number 44. So the first thing I'm pulling out of the box is Pure Heals by Nature Village. It's a Centella 90 ampule. And this is what that looks like. And let's see what it says about this. It says Pure Heals Centella 90 ampule serum. A soothing serum containing 90% of Centella asiatica extract relieves irritation of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. This serum contains ceramide 3, which helps strengthen damaged skin's moisture barrier and keeps the skin clear from the external environment. To use after cleansing, even out skin tone with the toner and apply a moderate amount of the product onto the face and gently pat for better absorption. Okay, so this is a serum. Let me go ahead and take it out the box so you can see what it looks like. Look at that bottle. The bottle's actually quite pretty. It's green. Look at that. And the liquid inside is kind of thick. I don't know if you guys can see that. It actually looks like it has something inside of the bottle. And it has a little dropper for the product, so let's go ahead. That's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and drop a little bit there. Huh, it feels cool going on my hand. And it's a nice thick consistency. You see that? Look at that. It's running a little, but very slowly. So let's go ahead and rub it in. Oh, it feels really good. It feels really good. It almost reminds me, it's not as thick, but it almost reminds me of like aloe vera gel. You know, like when you rub that on your skin, that little cooling sensation that you get. That's what I got when I first dropped it on my hand. Okay, and it rubs in really nicely. Doesn't really smell like anything either. I look forward to giving this a try. I love a good serum, so try this out and see how it works. The value of this serum is $28. The next thing I'm pulling out of here is from Kevyn Aucoin, and it is the Expert Mascara. So we got a mascara. Now I know this is a really, really good brand and it's high end. I don't want to open the mascara because I have a ton open and I don't know if I'm going to use it or pass it on, but that's what that looks like. The packaging is really, really nice. I'm hoping you guys can see that. And the value of this mascara is $29. The next item in the box is from Sugar Rush by Tarte, and it says Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. Okay, so it's a lip balm. That's what the packaging looks like there. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? It's a little flower on top. Look at that. It's absolutely adorable. And that's what the top looks like. It's a little flower. It looks like a rose to me. Very, very cute. Oh, the lip balm smells so good. Oh, I love it. I could just sit here and smell this all day. It has such a nice sweet scent to it. Let me go ahead and just put a little bit of this on my hand and see how it feels. Okay, it feels like your typical lip balm. And it goes on really nicely. It rubs on nice and smooth. All right, I'm looking forward to trying this. I love a good lip balm. I actually put lip balms underneath my matte lipstick to help prevent that really dry feeling that some matte lipsticks can give. So I'm excited to have this. And the value of this little guy is $12. The next item I'm pulling out of the box is from Milk Makeup. And it says Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. So I guess it's an oil that you can use on your cheeks or on your lips. And it says a sheer blush and lip stain packed with hydrating rice bran oil for a shimmering wash of color. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at this. The packaging is really cute and colorful. I like that. Okay, that's a really pretty color. This is what that color looks like. Very pretty. Let's push it up a little bit so you can see. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and swatch that on my hand. Okay, there it is. I hope you guys can see that. It's not particularly dark, but it is there. I mean, it would just give me like a nice little glow. Very nice. I don't think I've ever used anything from Milk Makeup, so I'm interested in giving this a try. I may even try to use it on my lips on those days when I just want a light flush of color. So we'll see how this works out. And the price for this is $15. The next item I'm pulling out of the box is from Paddington. And it is a brush set, a powder brush and a contour foundation brush. That's what it looks like before I take it out. Oh, these are pretty. Look at that. The brushes are gold, very pretty. I'll go ahead and take them out of the paper so you can see them. Okay, that is the contour brush there. And this one is the powder brush. The bristles on these feel really good. Now there are a couple of little strays in here that I see. Not anything that's so bad that it can't be fixed. I can pretty much cut those off, but there are, I don't know if you can see it, there are a few stragglers in there, like sticking out that way. Okay. And the brushes, they're a nice weight, but they're not like really heavy and they're not really light. They're that in-between weight, but they're very, very pretty. I would love to just sit these inside of something on a vanity just for the aesthetic alone. I definitely don't mind getting brushes in my subscription boxes. I feel that's one of those items that you can always use, and if for some reason I feel like I have too many, I can always give them to someone else who can use them. The price of these brushes are $90. Now I can tell you there's no way that I would spend $90 on these two brushes. I think they're beautiful. I think they're a nice weight and I could definitely use them, but they're not $90 worth of beautiful to me. I just don't see it. Maybe 35-ish I would possibly pay, but not 90. But it's nice to get in a subscription box. That's why we subscribe, right? Because we get products that we wouldn't necessarily go out and buy ourselves. So again, a nice to have. And the last item inside of the box for this month is from Too Faced, and it's the Chocolate Gold Soleil Bronzer. Now this is the item that I chose. Now I believe originally they had it listed as a matte bronzer, and that was changed to signify that we'd be getting the bronzer that has a little bit of shimmer in it. When I saw it online, I wasn't quite sure if it would be dark enough for me, but I selected it anyway because, I don't know, I guess I figured I could pass it on, but it was the best thing in the selection to me, so I went ahead and selected it. Here's what that looks like outside of the packaging. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous. It smells really good too. It smells really, really nice. Now, that's what that looks like. It has a nice little mirror there, and then that's what the product looks like. And I'm not even going to swatch this because this would definitely be too light for me to use as a bronzer. Now, I could use it as an eyeshadow or something, but I have so many eyeshadows that I'd rather not do this. I'll either put it in a giveaway or pass this along to someone else who can use it. The price on this bronzer is $30. Anyway guys, that is everything that I received inside of this month's Boxycharm Premium. And my overall thoughts on the box are, I don't love it and I don't hate it. I'm somewhere in the middle. There are a few of the products in here that I will use, and the ones that I can't, I'll just pass on to somewhere else. Now, when I subscribe to subscription boxes, I go into it with the mentality that every month is not gonna be a blow it out of the park month for me. One of the reasons I subscribe to subscription boxes is so that I can try a variety of different products and get things that I normally would not purchase myself. So I definitely can't complain, and in this box I definitely got more than $35 worth of product. If you received Boxycharm Premium, let me know down in the comments below what variation you got and what you received in your box this month. If you don't subscribe to Boxycharm Premium but you'd like some more information, I'll go ahead and leave a link to them down in the description box below. Thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.